Come, Lily.
Don't chew on me, please. That's a big baby. I can move. There we go. Whoa! There it is.
Coming out.
Yeah, there's its head.
Yeah, you go in there.
No, it's okay. Good girl. Yeah, it's alive. It's a big baby. She's gonna get up. Ew, there's poopy on it.
It's cute.
Uh-huh.
There's a black hat.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get a couple paper towels here and I'll wipe the snot off its nose. Watch out. Here's your baby coming out.
Yeah. Hi. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
It's cute. It's cute.
Yeah, it's cute. Ooh. I hate that part. Yeah, I know. That's how they're born, though. That's how they're born. That's how it works. Ew. What's this?
You're laying close.
It's okay. Once you get
You want me to lay this down?
well, I'm gonna let her clean her up and see how she does.
I'm just laying one of these
Well,
down.
we'll do it on here, but I'm gonna let her
I want to see
go
her.
get some more paper towels. She's kind of choking.
Amazing.
Yeah, go get some paper towel.